Is Notion good for team collaboration? If you are part of a team and wondering if Notion is a good fit for collaboration, you are in the right place. Let's break down how Notion can help teams work together effectively. Notion is known for its strong collaborative features, making it a popular choice for groups that need to manage projects and share information. One of its standout features is that multiple users can work on the same page or database at the same time. This means everyone can contribute without waiting for others to finish. For study groups or students working on projects, Notion offers tools that enhance organization and communication. You can invite team members to view, comment, or edit specific pages. This flexibility allows each member to participate according to their role. You can also set permission levels, so only certain people can make changes while others can just view or comment. This ensures that your important documents stay secure while still being accessible. Notion also supports asynchronous work, which is great for students who may have different schedules. Features like comments and mentions allow team members to leave feedback or ask questions at their convenience. Notifications keep everyone updated on changes and tasks that need attention, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. The platform includes various tools for creating wikis, project boards, and task lists. These are perfect for organizing study materials, tracking deadlines, and assigning responsibilities. You can create team spaces that are tailored to each group or project, making it easy to keep all relevant information in one central location. Notion's editing interface is versatile, allowing you to include text, tables, charts, and embedded files. This means teams can create dynamic documents and share notes seamlessly. Templates are also available to help you get started quickly, and navigating through different sections of a project is straightforward. From a study perspective, Notion's collaborative features can significantly improve how students manage group assignments. Centralizing notes and tracking progress in one tool reduces the need to switch between different applications. This keeps everyone aligned and focused on the task at hand. In practice, students can use Notion to create shared study guides, assign tasks for group projects, and keep all project-related documents organized in one workspace. The real-time editing and commenting features make coordination easy, while notifications ensure that important updates are not missed. Overall, Notion's strengths for team collaboration include real-time editing, flexible permissions, robust communication tools, and the ability to organize and customize workspaces. These features make it a solid option for students and teams looking for an all-in-one solution for managing group work and study time.